what's special about PI planning for us? Well, we were able to bring everyone together here in San Antonio out of our office, and we did a lot of PI planning to get prepared so the teams have enough stories that they can start writing their acceptance criteria, they can start writing their test cases as they're doing their planning. So out of the planning session, we're going to move right into what we like to call iteration 1.1. I'm a scale program consultant. I'm also the CEO, and for this opportunity here, I'm what you call the release train engineer. My job is to help facilitate the teams and the value that's going to be delivered during each PI. So on our Agile release train, we have 3 teams. We have the UI refresh team, we have the mobile team, we have a Vispa team, we have a shared services team. Our shared services team consists of our DevOps architects who are AWS certified, who are definitely moving that needle from a DevOps CI/CD perspective. We have our lean UI UX people who is providing that design guidance and that design runway for the development teams. We have subject matter experts. We have our Scrum Masters. We have some functional people like our business analysts, our testers, who are helping move that needle and the value that we're delivering to our customer. We got 50 people coming together to launch this Agile release train. So for the next 2 days, we're going to be doing this amazing big room planning, what we call PI planning to launch this train. We're doing Safe for Teams training, and then that's going to take us into the different roles and the different trainings that we're going to do for the team. But we're just so excited that we're doing this PI planning and launching this Agile release train for the Air Force as a small business based here in San Antonio, doing some amazing things with Agile and using SAFe as our foundation. No one can stop us.
Today we begin our PI planning. We're bringing in our stakeholders, our product owners, our developers, and our business team all in together to begin planning for the next 10 weeks of work. The idea is to get everyone on the same page and have everyone understand their vision from our business owners, and then break out and begin to plan what work will be done over the next 10 weeks. We'll be working in 2-week iterations to make sure that we are able to produce a working product every 2 weeks, and every team will demo what they've been working on the last 2 weeks at the end of their iterations. So as a solution architect, it's my responsibility to pull together all the developers and make everyone aware and bring all the practices and coding standards we're going to be using over the next PI and put them up front so everybody's on the same page, everybody's working on the same versions of the same software and using the same tools to deliver the value to our government partners.
So what we're trying to do is wonderful. Basically, we're trying to bring in requirements, traceability matrices to also bring in all of the compliance, security compliances, and all of the required DoD regulations into an Agile framework to provide them both the necessities they need to get out the door to get released, but also bring them into that commercial industry atmosphere. I really believe that we can bring the SAFe concept with the PIs and the sprint cycles and send releases out the door to the warfighter a lot quicker and provide that necessity they need that they've never had before.
The best part about PI planning is talking to the product owners, the engineers, the developers, on how we can basically formulate the best plan for our iterations, for the sprint. And this is just like a whole high level understanding of where we should be at in the next couple of months.
Appddiction Studio is on the rise. We're doing some amazing things, and we can help companies move to that next level with enterprise transformation. And this is just the beginning of how quickly we can bring development teams together to help move that value down to the delivery chain.